Welcome to our deep dive into how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape for micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. This isn't just about big corporations anymore. Today, we're exploring how AI is becoming a game changer for MSMEs, enabling them to compete, innovate, and grow faster than ever. AI is no longer exclusive to big tech companies or global enterprises. It's accessible and powerful enough for even the smallest businesses. Across India, MSMEs are actively adopting AI tools to stay competitive and drive their growth. So why should MSMEs care about AI? Let's look at the immense value it brings to this vital sector. India's MSME sector is a powerhouse, contributing over 30% to the GDP and employing more than 110 million people. However, many small businesses face significant hurdles. These include a lack of skilled manpower, repetitive manual tasks, and inefficient processes. AI effectively bridges these gaps, offering solutions that empower MSMEs to overcome these challenges. Let's delve into the specific benefits AI brings to MSMEs, helping them work smarter, not harder. First, intelligent automation. AI can automate numerous repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources for your team. Second, access to low-cost AI tools. Advanced AI capabilities are now available through affordable platforms, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. Third, data-driven insights. AI analyzes vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights, leading to better decision-making. Ultimately, AI helps MSMEs to work smarter, not harder. It's about optimizing operations and maximizing impact. In conclusion, AI is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for MSMEs looking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. It's about empowering small businesses with intelligent automation, affordable tools, and unparalleled insights. Embrace AI and reshape the future of your small business. The power to innovate and grow is now in your hands.